guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Miguel Diaz and I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend. So something very special has come in the mail. I'm pretty excited about it. I'm glad it's Saturday and I got it today. I'm super pumped. So guys, what I actually received today was the glorious O negative PC gaming mouse. I'm super pumped about it. It's gonna look sick. I got it in matte black. It's gonna be awesome for gaming. I usually play CSGO or Valorant, so it's gonna be a huge edge, and I just can't wait to get it unboxed and show you guys. So guys, my first impression of the mouse is that it's absolutely beautiful. I love the gloss finishing on the mouse itself, and then just taking a close look, you can tell that they put a lot of time into creating the mouse itself. Once you finally take a closer look at the O negative glorious mouse, you can quickly tell that it's smaller, it's super light, and it just has a really sleek and beautiful design. The hexagons look great on it, and they have that on the very top and bottom of the mouse, and that adds for that extra airflow, and they give it the lightness that the mouse actually has. The other features that I really like are the wire on the mouse, because it doesn't get caught, it doesn't knot up or anything like that, so that's a nice little bonus that the mouse actually has. So guys, real quick, if you can drop a like and a follow, I'd really love that. It really helps me promote my channel more and making sure that this is the content you guys want to see. So going back to the mouse, I love it. Looks great. I mean, super light. It looks awesome. I can't wait to use it. And not to backtrack or anything, but I do want to let you guys know that I've been using this mouse as of recent, the MX Master 3, which is an amazing mouse, and I totally recommend it for your daily, things that you're doing. And I mean, I love this mouse just because it really helps me with my graphic designing for work, and definitely recommend this. Obviously, this being more of my gaming mouse, I can't wait to go back and forth and see what the difference is between both of them. So real quick guys, I just wanted to highlight the 3 key features that I like the most out of this mouse. The first one being that it's extremely lightweight, and you need that while you're gaming, as well as the ascending cord here, USB, which is also great for good connection when you're gaming. And finally, if we look at the very bottom of the mouse, we see the 4 G-Skate mouse feet, which if you put on a mouse pad, you'll quickly see that you're able to glide horizontally and vertically fairly quickly, which gives you an advantage on the playing field.